We've reached the YouTube Fanfest 2025 and I'll show you how is it. भीड़ देख लो एक बारी.
Content creator.
थैंक यू भैया, थैंक यू. फिर तो आपने सब्सक्राइब भी किया होगा मुझे. Good morning everybody. We are almost set for YouTube Fanfest 2025 and I'll show you my outfit. Let's get ready and I'll take you to the Fanfest. अब बड़ी गई है ना.
टीडी को कर रहा हूँ.
Sorry.
अब तू ऐसे करके ऐसे.
थोड़ा राइट.
ऑन है ना? For the event, I love you.
Thank you.
Have a good one. चलो.
ध्यान में पूरा
थैंक यू भैया, थैंक यू. फिर तो आपने सब्सक्राइब भी किया होगा मुझे. थैंक यू. We've reached the YouTube Fanfest 2025 and I'll show you how is it. भीड़ देख लो एक बारी. Here is it. Look at everybody super excited and waiting for the gates to open. As excited like me? That's the place we'll do entry from and then we'll get the bands and we'll show you what's inside. Keep watching, don't miss the fun. Finally entered from the gate and now we'll go and get the bands. Super rushy and that's how it looks like. Let's wait and see how it goes. Till then, have a look. Look at the energy, guys. Everybody is super excited, super hyped up, and all excited for the event. That's a dream for all the YouTubers, right? If you're watching this video, share it with your friends. Look who we are with today, escaping the ordinary. Do like, share and comment. Subscribe too, yeah? No idea it's gonna be this rushy and we have to stand in lines. Look at the rush. It's okay. Until the time you're watching this video, do hit the bell icon, like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see what goes ahead, standing here in the crowds, and this is the time where you should apply mindfulness, right? Because that's where it's gonna help you. So anybody who is in a rushy areas, or if you are, inside a place which is very crowded, what you can do is take 3 deep breaths through your mouth, right? I'll show you how. This would increase the oxygen levels because you can see it feels almost like a breath while
एड रेवेन्यू निकाल लेंगे बाय एक्सपोजिंग क्या है क्या उनको दे दे
Thank you. Entered the venue and this is how it looks like. We have cleared the lines. Now we'll get the badge. The red band, of course. Inside. Let's go. अंदर जाते हैं, देखते हैं how it goes, क्या है अंदर, क्या नहीं, कौन मिलता है. Let's see. And yeah, I found my first subscriber. And for the first time, somebody said me that they watched my video. That too in Mumbai. That was nice. Because I'm from Delhi, right? मैं दिखाती हूँ अंदर क्या चल रहा है. Have a look. That's the box office. And we'll go and collect the bands from here. We'll be getting our bands. Thank you. Welcome to Fanfest 2025, everyone. Let's go ahead and have a tour. अंदर आ गए हैं. So thirsty because बड़ी गर्मी थी बाहर. थोड़ा सा पानी पियेंगे, then we'll get inside and have all the fun we're looking forward to. Yeah. Now it's clean. Let's go. structure below over here. I don't know how. Let's see. And hope for the best. But the experience here is quite amazing. It's a dream for every creator on YouTube to be here. And let's see. अगला कहाँ जाते हैं? And we're like, next year, right?